Hi guys, welcome back to Laila's Home Cooking and Spices. On this episode, I want to show you how I make my chana puri, which was requested quite a long time ago, maybe about more than 2 months. And today is the day I said let's do it. And this is a recipe that I was growing up eating, and I actually got this recipe from a really good person which used to make this chana puri and used to sell it on the street, and I'm the one who used to buy it every single day. And this is a recipe I'm gonna share with you today. Let's go through the ingredients. We're gonna need some turmeric powder, some yellow split peas, salt, baking soda, instant yeast, all-purpose flour, and some water. That's it. Now, first thing we're gonna do is making the dough. This is some all-purpose flour. I'm gonna add to it my instant yeast, a little bit more than half teaspoon. So half teaspoon is 2.5 ml. So this is the yeast that I added is about 2.9 ml. So this was the yeast, and then I'm gonna add quarter teaspoon of baking soda. Just make sure the baking soda is even a quarter teaspoon. And then salt to taste. All right. Okay, this is it. Now you are going to use your hand, and then just mix the dry ingredient first, and then gradually add the water little by little, and then keep mixing until you get a thick consistency. I'm gonna show you when I get there. The consistency this is what you're looking for. Just like that. This is what you want to see. Make sure you knead the dough very well. See that? Just like that. Okay, so now this dough is going to cover, and I'm gonna keep this in a warm place, whatever warm place is in your kitchen. For me is in my oven with my oven off, and this has to go for at least 7 hours to rest until the dough will rise, and then this is how you know you're gonna get a really good chana puri. So my chana puri dough was resting for about 8 hours, and the look of the perfect chana puri should be like this. Come close. You see the bubbly? This is what you need. I'm just gonna set this aside, and then let me talk about the dal. So the dal, I was boiling the dal. This is about half cup of yellow split peas. All I added is some little bit salt and turmeric powder, and then after boiling, I just let the water dry in here, and then I add a little bit of green onion, chopped green onion, and then chop fresh coriander. And now what you have to do is just make some balls about this size first. Set them on a tray, on a plate. Don't make it too big because it's not gonna look good. Then your chana puri gonna be even more bigger. Keep going, and then we'll move forward. My oil is preheating in the pan. I have my dal ready. My dough is ready. I have my plate. I have a fork, and I have I slaughter a spoon. Okay, so what you're gonna do is just put the balls into the flour just like that. If you can't do all of this like that, just put it one by one. Try to cover the balls, the dal, without breaking it, just like that, with the dough. And then make sure your oil is hot on medium temperature, because the chana puri should stay white but inside it's properly cooked. This is how you're gonna do. Try to cover the dal. Little bit come out, it's okay, but not all of them, because then the dal gonna split all over the oil. Okay, just like that, and then just drop. And for this, the best things to use is hand. You cannot use a spoon for that. All right, let's do one more. I'm gonna keep going until I fill the pan, just like that. All right, this looks good. The chana puri is white, yes, but it's very cooked. It's cooked. You don't need to worry. This is how we used to buy chana puri, and this is how we used to eat it. And we all know how is it inside. Drain the oil properly, and then on a piece of paper towel. It's ready, and this is how they looks like. And let me break one. Check the dal. The dal is inside, and I have some chutney. This is mint and tomatoes, and then this is how we got the chana puri, just like that. Hope you enjoy spending time with me on this video. I will see you next time with another great recipe. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and let me know in the comment section below what do you want to see next. Bye.